I'll find it, thank you.
No problem. 27. If it's involved in an accident, it like doubles everything or something. I'm still in route to Burns. I have to go down Parkside. You know, units on Parkside advise me on the conditions before I get stuck. 35 in reference. Parkside and Bel Air is horrible. We're trying to direct traffic now at the intersection, try to get it moving, but Bel Air Road is pretty much gridlocked because nobody can go up the incline. But we're slowly getting a few cars out, but I don't know where they're going to go after that. Time for 360 key. I might not make it to that location because of that, and also because I will have to take a side street, and I want to get stuck on one of those side streets.
10-4. What kind of call is that?
Heights and Sumter, Park Heights and Sumter. In reference, states male was hit by a bus. Male is assaulting the bus driver.
I'm going to keep traffic going through.
All right, John 564.
John 564, standing by.
What type of call were you responding to? Because your logged on is Baker 36.
Yes, I am Baker 36. I was responding to 4200 Brent.
10-4 for signal 30.
10-4.
David 30, give him that phone number. Have him do a call back to the citizen. 10-4. 10-4, copy. 36, you ready to copy?
10-4.
It's 443-977-5331.
Right, it's 757-676-3831. 10-4.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, thank you. All right, get to the 24.
09.
Hi, sir.
Could you see if Northwest Wagon's freed up? If you can slide over Cold Spring to pick this gentleman up in district for an ET.
Let me check.
22-09, he's not getting through Cold Spring. This is gridlock. Where are you?
Green Spring and what?
Claiborne. I'm in the northern. I came down Northern Parkway because I thought I could jump on 83, but there's a couple of accidents down here, so I tried to turn to come back towards the district to take right to Town Road, and I got stuck 5 times.
10-4. I'll have the tow truck driver just follow me, and we'll head that way.
For 9549, I mean, if you want, we can put him in that and take him over.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I'll send Parker down with the keys and just bring that up to the upper lot, and we'll load them in.
All right, that 09, no?
That's from Eccledale. Let me get my paper so I can get that phone number and I can give them a call back.
10-4.
If 2025 was on his way down or not.
Yeah, you're on northbound, and you'll walk across the southbound, so I'm heading there sometime soon.
All right, did you guys still need it with 91?
Don't believe so, Ange.
All right, 29th is Sisson. I have a signal 30 at 29th is Sisson. It says the car accident, and I have no further. Why?
Well, I'll start making my way there.
Simple, man. Just give me a hand. 09.
09.
Call 2284 as soon as possible, please.
10-4.
I'm 20. I missed the last part of what you said. I was on the landline. I'm sorry.
Just keep me advised, ma'am.
10-4.
Put on for Lotto.
Go ahead. Put on to David 10. David 10. Are you 1018? Yeah, 10-4. I don't have the number. Can you just call the watch center on this line, have our lots taken care of? Yeah, I'll give them a call.
I'm on Park Heights, I believe 4900 blocks, Rising 14, right next to the laundromat.
10-4.
And 14 to 15. Do you have the bus up there? We have it at Park Heights now for about there.
Yeah, I got the bus. I don't have the other person involved.
Right down, we have enough on you.